Alright, so today is our last day of our bowling unit, and I have set up some fun different bowling stations. I'm just going to walk you through these and give you some ideas of what you could do with your students. So first lane that we have here is just normal bowling. Everybody should know that one. The second fun one that I changed up and modified is a balance beam bowl. So you have to walk on the balance beam and then bowl through the hoop that's standing up. Kind of fun, test your balance. Next one is I have a kickball or four square ball, and you have to throw it over this obstacle, and you could put this obstacle a little further if you all wanted to, depending on which grade level you're working with, and just have to throw over it. Another one of my favorites is we have this nice little bowling ramp, and kids have to pick it up and bowl it through the tunnel and try to get a strike. That's a class favorite. And another class favorite is scooter bowling, and we have these big stacking buckets that we use instead of bowling pins. Kids absolutely love it. Test that one out, make sure everybody stays safe, and of course I have a mat behind it for a little extra protection. And then we also have frisbee bowling. So check it out, and I hope it gave you some good ideas, and try them out for yourself. Take care. Nice work. Good shot. A little more. Oh, that was a good one. Nice form. Good flick of the wrist. Hey, two's not bad. Ooh, nice.